IBM just cut 8,000 jobs. AI did it. By 2027, 400 million workers globally lose employment. Not speculation. McKinsey data. Accountants are first. Deloitte found 44% of accounting roles vanish. UiPath automation already replaces 47,000 data entry positions yearly. Goldman Sachs warns 300 million jobs disappear. Customer service reps are next. Chatbot 4 handles 80% of inquiries now. Your bank uses it today. Google and Amazon eliminated entire call centers. One AI agent replaced 50 humans. Paralegals watch carefully. Legal document review is 90% automatable already. LawGX proved it works. Meanwhile, junior developers face extinction. GitHub Copilot codes faster than humans write. Salary compression starts now. Your paycheck shrinks before layoffs happen. Email support specialists should panic. ChatGPT processes 100 million queries weekly. Your job might be next. 3 years remains. Upskill immediately. Learn prompt engineering. Become an AI operator. The transition is unstoppable. The question is whether you adapt. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.